this is our very luxurious and spacious living space. This is a very beautiful kitchen. So this is our luxurious and spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the sample flat tour of ANP Privado, which is located near Pancard Club Road, Paneer, Pune, and is developed by ANP Corp. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project, and in front of the sales office you get the Pancard Club Road. Now, before I show you the sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the developers, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now let me tell you about the project's overview with the help of Project's 3D model. This project will be constructed on 10 acre of land parcel with 9 towers having ground plus 33 floors, in which you will be getting 3 BHK, 4 BHK, 4.5 BHK, 4 BHK duplex and 5 BHK premium residencies. Now let me tell you about the location of this project. As you can see, I am standing in front of the sales office, जिसके सामने आपको मिल जाता है पैनकार्ड क्लब रोड, जो आपको लेफ्ट साइड से कनेक्ट करता है मुंबई बेंगलुरु हाईवे से, और राइट साइड से कनेक्ट करता है बानेराउंड रोड से. This project is located near Pancard Club Road, Baner, Pune. इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है Pancard Club Road, which is 550 meters away, Jupiter Hospital, which is 1.8 kilometers away, and Radha Chowk, which is just 3.2 kilometers away. Now, let me tell you about the luxurious amenities this project provides you with the help of Project's 3D model. This project has 75 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, multi-purpose court, multi-purpose hall, kids play area, open garden, clubhouse, mini theatre and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of a 4.5 BHK sample flat which has 2306 square feet carpet area. So this is your entrance, where just at the entrance you get a video door phone and a digital door lock to your door for security purposes. And then this is your entrance's lobby, where you can set up your shoe rack or decorative items. Now let us check out our dining and living space. So this is our very luxurious and spacious living space. As you can see, there's a lot of space here, where this is where you get your couch setup space, and you also get an additional sitting space there where you can set up your another couch or make it your patio, and you get your TV unit setup space here, and then you also get an attached balcony to your living space, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and is two-side cover. Now, before we check out our dining space, let me show you the first bedroom of the flat, which is placed just at the entrance, as this flat is based on the butterfly concept. So this is your first bedroom of the flat, but this is where you get your bed setup space, and you can see you get a lot of walking space. You also get an attached wall-to-wall window for ventilation and natural lighting. And this is where you get your wardrobe and vanity setup space. Also, you get an attached concealed washroom here, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles, and shower glass partition. Now let us check out our dining space. So this is a very beautiful and spacious dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let me show you the kitchen of this flat. So this is a very beautiful kitchen where you get an L-shaped granite platform, and you also get a kitchen aisle in the middle of it, and you also get a dry balcony attached to it. Where you can set up your washing machine and utilities, and it has anti-skid tiles and is two-side cover. Now let us check out the second bedroom of this flat. But before I show you our second bedroom, let me tell you also get a common washroom just here, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now let us check out our second bedroom. So this is a second bedroom space which, as you can see, has been converted into a work and study space, which you also can do. So this is where you can set up your study or work table, and this is where you can set up a resting place for yourself. You also get an attached washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and shower glass partition. Now let us check out our third bedroom of this flat. So this is a very spacious third bedroom of the flat, where, as you can see, you get your bed setup space here, you get a lot of walking space here, you also get a coffee setup table space here, and you get a wall-to-wall attached window to it, which gives you ventilation and natural lighting. You also get an attached washroom just here, which also has your walk-in wardrobe space, and the washroom just in front of it, which has bathtub, anti-skid tiles, designer vitrified tiles, CP center fitting and shower glass partition. Now, before I show you the last bedroom of this flat, which is the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So, what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now, let us check out our master bedroom. So this is our luxurious and spacious master bedroom, where you can see you get a lot of walking space here, you get your bed setup space here, and you also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and is 3-side cover. You also get your walk-in wardrobe space and attached master washroom just right here. Attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles, shower glass partition. So everyone, this was the 4.5 BHK sample flat tour of ANP Privado, which is developed by ANP Corp and located near Pancat Club Road, Baner, Pune. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.